Good morning from a church van. We excited? We're excited. Madeline, Connor, Aniston. We're headed to Kings Island today to take on the new ride Orion and everything else as well. So let's hit it. We're going there. We're leaving the hotel right now, and we're gonna go get Chick-fil-A and then head to the park. You know exactly where we are, because where else will we be? Chick-fil-A. We're here!
Which one is that?
The one that's going over the hill is Orion.
Mother Nature.
Oh, we're here.
And you don't have anything besides that?
Ooh. We've arrived at Kings Island. We're waiting to get parked. Connor, after seeing the skyline, are you as afraid as you used to be? Connor was afraid coming into this.
Not as bad.
That's good to
Not
hear.
as bad. But I still know it's going to be super high. Because it's in the back of the park.
Yep.
And it was still the biggest park. So I'll let you know when we walk up on it.
Alright, sounds good. The gates have been opened.
Left lane, get on Orion.
We stopped again because of geese. We're walking in the middle of the road. What is this?
Is that the one like Batman? The green and blue one?
No.
I love roller coasters.
Let's do it. Here we go.
At Universal.
Featuring Orion. And you can see it right behind the entrance. Gotta stay distanced. They'll respect that. Oh yeah. Here we go.
I'm smiling, but you can't see it.
I normally go straight to Diamondback, so I'm not used to how far back this one is. First thing in the morning. Orion.
And it's everything else. You know about Egypt, right? Egypt.
You can see all that wood driving on.
Orion, let's do it. Connor, let's do it. Let's do it.
I'm gonna get on, but I gotta go to the bathroom. Because I don't want to get sick on this ride.
We're gonna be one of the first people on. The park doesn't open for another 30 minutes. And we're here. Connor, are you ticked?
I need to go to the bathroom. Let me go.
Are you guys excited? We are about to get on. I'll give you an update once we get on. But we're about to get on Orion. First ride ever. What a ride. That first drop is incredible. I'm going to give my Orion breakdown real quickly. It's good. It's really good. It's fast. The wind's in your hair. The first drop's incredible. That small little speed hill's really good, but I don't think I like it more than Millennium Force. Or Dragster. And maybe not as much as Banshee. I need to ride Banshee to see. But we'll see. It's a good roller coaster. And I will ride it 100 times and it'll be great. But we'll see. It's still really fast, really fun. I'm interested to see where it compares to a lot of the other big rides there are. Good ride though. Is that social distancing? I don't think so. We're gonna ride Banshee. Banshee, still my favorite. Madeline, what'd you think?
That was amazing.
Woo! Headed to Diamondback. Woo! Diamondback, I've missed you. Let's go. Oh, Diamondback, I love you. Just sat in the back, got major ejector airtime across the first hill. Did you guys enjoy it?
Yes.
It's been great. We're headed to Mystic Timbers. Let's do it.
Enter. Mandatory and ongoing lockdown has been ordered for the Miami River Lumber Company.
Mystic Timbers, go fly! Zoom, zoom. Madeline, you just keep saying you weren't expecting that.
No.
What'd you think?
I literally fell on Aniston. I squished her in her seat.
Did she squish you?
No, not that bad.
Did you have a good time?
That was so good. I did not expect it to go that fast.
Yeah, that's a fun one. Connor even had a great time. He was living the best life.
That was fast. I had a bunch of good little dips. We went through the woods, so I'm like.
Time to conquer the beast. With the lovely music in the background. The beast. Welcome. Zero waste is the benefit of coming during a pandemic. Guess who's front rowing it? We are. We're on the beast. To the beast. Oh boy.
Oh man.
Look at this.
Oh man. Oh. I told you.
Ready to be terrified and keep your hands down at all times? You're not going to want to do that. See, this means you'll die. Because we're about to go into that. Yeah. But I'm definitely going to stay like this. And hold on tight.
I'm a little scared.
Oh my word. Here it goes. This is terrifying. Oh, look at that view. That's a great view. Look at Orion. That's beautiful. Man, that is such a pretty roller coaster. Okay, we're gonna go like this
It
again.
does look like a rocket glass.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, I'm excited. Oh, I'm excited.
I am not. On the beast.
I'm sick.
Very sick. Aniston, what did you think of it?
I liked it, but I would much rather be on a metal roller coaster.
Yep. Yep.
Like, I will ride that one once and be fine.
Yeah.
And then I wouldn't do it again.
That too terrifying for you?
It's not terrifying. The bump,
Get ya?
I hate it.
Madeline and I really enjoyed it.
Like, I liked it. It was just,
Oh,
you would only ride it once in a day.
yeah. Where Vortex used to be looks really nice. Really nice. With Orion in the background. Nice. We are headed to Flight of Fear. Back into Area 72. Pretty cool theming. The meteor hits here. Look at the light pole. It is cracked and smashed. This is pretty neat. Oh. Rolling into here. Pretty long line. For Flight of Fear. They've extended this area to have a line that goes all the way down here, which is new. Flight of Fear has never done this before this year. And now here it is. And look at Orion over there. Just saying, come ride me, I'm better. The classic Flight of Fear setup. Pretty slick. Oh. Inside the UFO. Riding looming area. You guys got this?
3, 2, 1.
Yeah! Flight of Fear, always a blast. Madeline had a good time. Connor was his favorite. Aniston had a great time. We're rolling. Time for lunch. The meal plan just got us some panda. We have just wrapped up eating lunch, and now we're headed to the rapids. The goal is soaked, stay cool. Let's try it. Whitewater Canyon. And the cute little vegetation tunnel. I'd like this adventure back to the woods. You know what I'm saying? There's a pond right there. That's where we're going. To the rapids. Here we go.
Is there a waterfall?
I have no idea. That thing is so fast.
It's forced.
Oh, we're about to get close. Now, Ben and Edison. Oh my God. Oh my word. Oh.
What's happening?
I did not know that was there.
Oh man, that's right down my shirt. Yeah.
Oh, are you kidding? Do we feel good? Did you get soaked?
Yeah.
We feel good. Feels good though to get wet. Connor feels great.
That's good.
Madeline, you are soaked.
Yeah.
Feels good. Madeline, you ready to hit Orion again?
I don't know who trusted me with a belt. They were in the wrong.
Put me on the front. I don't care if I have to wait longer.
We're in Area 51 right now.
Yo!
About to go see some aliens
How are we getting there?
through this spaceship right here.
This one right here?
Yeah, this spaceship.
All right, sounds good. That'll work. The way they put the greenery in right here, obviously like the shrubs and all that stuff, looks so nice. And it really feels, it feels good. It doesn't feel trashy at all. Really big fan of it. With just a little bit of theming in this area. You have the barrels under there. You have the pre-show room that's not even in use because the line's so available. This is crazy. Come during COVID. Okay, I said Orion was good my first time, but maybe not. Anyways, mid-afternoon. That was front row. One of the best rides I've ever experienced on a roller coaster. That was insane. Madeline and I are hitting round 2, or round 3 actually. We're gonna go to back row this time, see what it's all about, and hopefully it'll be just as fun as the front. But that front row is
Or
just
more fun.
or more fun.
Or fun in a different way.
Yes.
Same level, but different reasons.
Oh, all right. Madeline and I just rode it a second time in a row, third time today. Back row. How do you feel about the back compared to the front?
Back row is great.
Back row is good.
Just throws you over that first hill.
That first drop is really good.
And you stop right before you get to the top, and you're like, kind of jolt a little bit, and then you go.
It's good. It's good. Stop for blue ice cream. Thank you. Blue ice cream. This is my first time actually having this. I'm excited. What do we think about the blue ice cream? Do we like it? It's good. It's really good. Like it a lot. Come get it. It's delicious. We gonna hit up the bat. We're about to get on that bad boy. We're about to get on this. Oh. That was kind of fun. Anderson, you enjoyed it?
I enjoyed it.
Connor liked it, except for the cranking. Madeline, she liked it. It's just weird. It's just a weird ride. Fantastic though. Banshee. Round 2 of the day. I don't. Back to Area 52. You know, or wait, no, 72. Why did I say 52? But it says Area 72.
Yeah, but Area 51 is the one that everybody goes crazy about.
Right, but this is Area 72.
Yeah, but they only did that so that people wouldn't go more crazy about Area 51.
That's a terrible theory. They're going to ride Flight of Fear. I'm going to ride a B&M Giga as many times as I can. Let's go do this. Orion time, baby. Racer radio. There's a note to the racer. All the Orion helmets. Orion boxes. There's an image of the UFO and Flight of Fear. There's the layout of Orion on that clipboard.
Our ability to destroy them before they reach our atmosphere is limited. We have the solution.
The trains and the layout.
An Earth-like planet within the Orion constellation has been discovered that is suitable for colonization. However, technology
Ride 4 in Orion. Row 3. Good. Not as good as the front. Not as good as the back. Very rough. But it makes no sense to me. You know, B&Ms are generally so smooth. This was pretty rough. Pretty good though. Good ride. Might do it again. Alrighty. We are calling it a day. The park's gonna close in like 45 minutes anyways, so we're headed out. It's gonna be fun. No, it's not. But we're gonna go get lots of water.
7 hours.
Is that how long we're here?
7 hours.
Crazy. There's like 2 people on both of those trains combined. But we're gonna head out. It was a good day. Favorite rides? Favorite rides? Madeline?
I don't remember what it's called.
Flight of Fear?
Flight of Fear.
Aniston?
The one that scares me to death.
What's it called? Banshee?
Banshee?
Banshee.
Connor? Flight of Fear and Orion. And me, I don't know. I like them all. And that's my channel, so I say what I want. All right, we're getting out of here.